Whoa. Oh, that's big. Yes, honey.
Wow.
It's like everybody gets off the boat at Coco Cay and the attraction is Icon of the Seas. Oh, okay. Never mind. They're just getting on the tram. We thought they were just here to see Icon. Whoops. Let's go this way. Yeah. Oh yeah. Aiden, check this out. Whoa. Buddy. Whoa. This kid's gonna lose his mind. Go! Go! Go up the stairs. All right, let's go.
Ready?
Is this like a secret passage to South Beach? I don't even. It's like not secret, but. Whoa. It is pretty neat. Whoa. These are buttonwood trees, honey. These are buttonwood trees. That's what the sign said. Oh. We made it.
Beach?
Yes. Oh wow. Basketball! Basketball! Yeah! Dad, this is gonna be your jam over here. You got the beach, you got sports, you got bags, ring toss, everything. Wow. Wow. Yeah.
Basketball.
What do you think? Basketball. All right. Well, let's find us a spot.
Thumbs up. Cheers.